Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome you all in PIST Virtual Learning System session 2020. Dear students, this lecture is for grade first year, subject computer science, and we are on sixth video lecture, and we are on chapter number 1, overview to computer system. So today we are going to start scanners and the types of the scanners: handheld scanners, flatbed scanners, barcode reader, and then magnetic strip cards. And then we will continue with soft copy output devices, and we will discuss monitor. So let's start with the scanners. What is a scanner? Scanner is an input device. It reads the graphical images or line art or text from the source and convert it into digital information and send it to the computer. Means that if you have your hard copy, if you have any source of information in physical form in your hands and you want to convert in digital form, so you can scan your documents with the help of the scanner. So scanner is an input device which is used to scan your document, your images, your pictures, and convert in digital form. So after converting into the digital form, you can save your data and you can save your scanned documents in your laptops, in your desktop, and in your smartphones. So scanner is an electronic device that scans data. Scanners are used to give large volume of data as input to the computer. So scanners basically is a device that captures images from photographic print, posters, magazine, pages, and similar sources for computer editing and display. So suppose you have an image in the form of hard copy in your hands, you have poster, you have magazine, you have book, even you have a book, hard copy book, and you want to convert in digital form. So you can scan your books, you can scan your images, you can scan your documents with the help of scanner. So scanner is used to convert your hard copy and your hard copy printouts in digital form. So scanner is an optical input device that optically scans printed or handwritten text and images and stores them in computer memory in digital form. Nowadays, scanners are widely used to get drawings, diagrams, and photographs into computer system for incorporation into documents and books which are made by electronically for printing. So very high resolution scanners are used for scanning for high resolution printings, but low resolution scanners are used for capturing images for computer display. Scanners usually come with software such as Adobe Photoshop product that lets you resize and otherwise modify a captured image. So with the help of scanner, you can convert your picture, images, and photographs into the digital form easily. So you can scan your documents and then you can convert your documents into the computer, and then you can make the changes and you can edit your images and pictures and your documents. So we have different types of scanner. The first type is handheld scanner. Handheld scanner, as you can see in your screen, that this is a handheld scanner which you can hold in your hand easily. The second type of scanner is flatbed scanner. The flatbed scanner is big in size. It just looks like a flat surface. Have a flat surface. You can place your book. You can place your document inside it, and then you can scan your documents easily. Barcode reader. So barcode reader basically is a machine which is used and scan your product code with the help of this machine. So let's start with the types of the scanner. Handheld scanner. Handheld scanner is much like a flatbed scanner. Handheld scanners are small, helpful electronic devices that are widely used for printing documents. So handheld scanner provide lower quality scanners. They are still very popular because they are small and less expensive than their flatbed scanner. So you can hold this scanner easily in your hand and you can move easily on the image. So with the help of handheld scanner, you can scan an image. The handheld scanner is dragged over the image to be scanned. The handheld scanner should be removed carefully with uniform speed because uneven scanning rate would produce distorted image. Handheld scanners are very useful for scanning articles for magazine, newspaper, and books. So handheld scanner just easy to move on your images, on your book, on your magazine. They are able to scan items that could not fit in a flatbed scanner due to size or location. So if you cannot place your book into the scanner, so you can use this handheld scanner, and you can move your handheld scanner on the book, on the magazine, and you can scan your document. Their function includes moving them over the material being captured with the aid of a tray to keep it in a straight line. Experience is required to operate and handle at the device, since it is very important to keep the scanner straight so that a distortion-free scan is possible. Means that you must be experienced, and when you are scanning your document, you will move your handheld scanner in a straight line, and do not move fastly. So if you will move fastly, so it will create distortion and you cannot receive your image as clear and as sharp. So maybe you have a distortion and your images and your digital form is not in that format that you can view easily. So if you want to scan perfectly, so you can move your scanner slowly on the book, on the magazine, and the image, and it can produce the high quality result. The low cost and portability is the advantage of a handheld scanner, but poor quality is its drawback. The next type of your scanner is flatbed scanner. Flatbed scanners will take up some desktop space. They look like mini printers, like a flip-up cover protecting the glass platen. Flatbed scanners are some of the most commonly used scanners, as it has both home and office functions. So most commonly used scanners are flatbed scanners. So flatbed scanners have a plain surface, and you can place your documents easily inside that surface, and they have a flip cover protecting the glass. We have a glass. On that glass we can put our images and our books, and we have a flip cover on which, when we are placing our document, our pages, so we can just close that flip and then we can start the scanning. The way they scan document is that a mechanism rolls under the document to obtain the image. It just works like a photocopy machine. So when you place any document, any image inside the photocopy machine and on the glass of a photocopy machine, and you will close the flip cover, so it can start scanning your document. So like this, the flatbed scanner works. So automatically your data and your text is converted in digital form with the help of a laser light, and the laser beam passed to your document, which read your data and scan your document with the help of a laser beam, and it is used to convert your physical form of data into digital form. So with the help of scanner, so you can convert your physical data into digital form. So in flatbed scanner, the image to be scanned is placed face down on the glass. Okay, you must remember that if you want to scan your document, so you must place your document on the glass screen, and your document face should be down on the glass, and a covered area is lowered over it to exclude light. The camera moves across the glass pane, reading the entire area, and then scan your document. So this is a working of your flatbed scanner, that you can place your document on the glass area, and then a light will pass and it is converting your data and text into the digital form. The way they scan document is that a mechanism rolls under the document to obtain the image. For a business that have a need for high processing abilities, the flatbed scanner can scan any number of documents with a click of a button. So you can just press a single click and then you can scan your documents easily. So it's a very easy way to scan your documents. The next is barcode reader. Barcode reader basically or barcode scanner is an optical scanner that can read printed barcode UPC. UPC stands for Universal Product Code, and it is used to decode the data contained in the barcode and send the data to the computer like a flatbed scanner. It consists of a light source, a lens, and a light sensor translating for optical impulses into electrical signal. A BCR, barcode reader or scanner, also known as a POS, point of sale scanner, is a hardware input device capable of reading a barcode using a laser. It can also print out the detail of the product or long information about that product into a database. A perfect example of a barcode reader is a supermarket barcode scanner that reads and logs the price of a product. In the picture is an example of a barcode reader from HP. You can see in the picture. So this is a barcode reader, a machine which is read the barcode on your product, on your things. Today, many smartphones with the proper apps are also capable of scanning and reading barcodes. So barcode reader basically is also a type of a scanner which is used to scan barcode, and these barcodes are called UPC Universal Product Code. Okay, these barcodes are called Universal Product Code, and every product which we purchase from the supermarket and which we have a unique code that is called a barcode, Universal Product Code. So these barcode contains information about the product like name of the product, company, manufacturing data, expiry date. So this information is provided to the computer for further processing like generating bills at checking out in shopping malls. Prices are normally not included in barcodes because prices are not constant and may change frequently. So barcode reader is a machine which is used in your shopping malls, and you can use in POS, point of sale, in business purpose. So when we talk about the barcode reader, what is UPC? Universal Product Code. A UPC, short for Universal Product Code, is a type of a code printed on retail products packaging to aid in identifying a particular item. It consists of two parts: the machine readable barcode, which is a series of unique black bars, and the unique 12-digit number beneath it. The purpose of UPC is to make it easy to identifying product features such as the brand name, item, size, and color. When an item is scanned at checkout, in fact, that's why they were created in the first place, to speed up the checkout process at grocery store. UPC are also helpful in tracking inventory within a store or a warehouse. So with the help of UPC, the Universal Product Code, you can purchase fastly, and you can the shopping malls and the grocery stores can generate your bills quickly. So these are the black strips which contains the information regarding the product and the series of the UPC Universal Product Code. UPC company prefix. So here you can check the image of a barcode. This is our barcode and Universal Product Code which we have, and with the help of a barcode reader and the scanner we can scan this code. Every product which we purchase from the market nowadays, so each product have this code, the UPC code, Universal Product Code. With the help of this code, the cashier can scan your code and get the information regarding your product, and this product contains the following information. UPC company prefix is a 6 to 10 digit number assigning by GS1 to uniquely identify brand owners needing to mark items with UPC symbols. Then we have an item reference. The item reference assigned by the brand owner to reference a specific item. Check digit. The 12th digit is calculated digit based on a MOD check digit calculation from preceding digit. So here you can check the barcode. We can classify our digit in that format: the number system, the manufacturer ID, product code, and check digit. Okay, so this is a complete barcode which we have on all products nowadays, and when we are going and when we purchase something from the market, so every time a barcode reader is used to scan this code and automatically generate your invoice, and bills. Now we have magnetic strip card. Magnetic strip card is any type of card that contains data embedded in a strip composed of iron particles in a plastic film. The front of the card contains identifying information such as the cardholder's name and the issuing company name, while the magnetic strip resides on the back. These cards are usually a little larger than 2 inches by 3 inches and made of plastic or durable paper. So magnetic strip card has a magnetic strip which is used to store data in the form of thinly magnetized and non-magnetized particles or magnetic material. So they have very small magnetized chip inside the card which is used to hold some sort of data on your card, the basic information which related to your company's name, your card holder's name, issuing company, and the digit, the card digit. And here you can also check, here we have the barcode also. Universal product code is also there. So this is magnetic strip card which is used, and this is a portable cards and have the magnetic strip, and with the help of that card you can use your data information. So the information on the card is read by swiping the card past a magnetic reading head. Example of these cards include credit cards, ATM cards, Visa and MasterCards. Nowadays we have driving cards also, driving license card, and the membership cards of magnetic strip cards examples. So nowadays we have employee cards, gift cards, and public transmit cards. All these are the examples of your magnetic strip cards. So how you can use the card? So you can just swipe the card into the machine, so it can read your information, it can read your data, and you can use your card easily. Now I will continue my lecture with the next topic, which are output devices. So output devices basically are used to view your result and output on the screen and in your hand. So we have different types of output devices which we have. Basically output devices are consist of your printer, monitor, speaker, and plotter that transfer information from computer memory to the outside world. They display or print text, graphics, or picture. The output generated on paper by an output device such as printer or plotter is called hard copy output. The output in the form of data or information stored on the storage device or display on the monitor is called soft copy output. So when we talk about the output, so output means that the information which we can present to someone. So here we have two types of output devices, the hard copy output devices and soft copy devices. The output is an hardware device used to send data from computer to another device or user. Usually most output peripherals are meant for human use, so they receive the processed data from the computer and transform it in the form of audio, video, or physical reproduction. Typical example of output devices are monitors and projectors for video, headphone and speakers for audio, or printers and plotters, physical or reproduction in the form of text or graphics. So we can classify our hard copy, our output devices in two major types. These are hard copy output devices and soft copy output devices. So basically the output means that when you are getting any response from the computer, when you are getting result, so this is called our output. So when you enter input into the computer, after processing your input is converted into the output. To present this output, we use different kinds of output devices, and we can classify in these output devices in two categories: soft copy output devices and hard copy output devices. So when we talk about the soft copy output devices, and soft copy means that the digital form which cannot touch and move easily. So it is inside your computer system. You can view on your screen. To view your digital form and your soft copy output, so you must have a monitor or a display screen on which you can see and on which you can check your output in the form of soft copy. So our soft copy output device is display on screen is called soft copy output. Soft copy output is not tangible. It means that it cannot be touched. Not tangible means that it cannot be touch and move easily. If you want to move your soft copy, you must need a proper medium, like you can copy your data on the USB, on your mobile, on your memory card, then you can transfer your data. Then we have a hard copy. The physical form of your output is called hard copy. You can touch easily, you can move easily. The output printed on a paper is called hard copy output. The common devices to produce hard copy output are printer and plotters. Soft copy output devices. When we talk about the soft copy output devices, the most commonly soft copy output device is a monitor. Monitor is an electronic soft copy output device which is used to display your result and information and your output on the screen. A monitor is also known as a screen or a visual display unit VDU. So monitor is sometimes called as VDU and screen also. A monitor is a piece of computer hardware that displays the video and graphic information generated by connected computer through the computer's video card. So in monitor, if you want to use the monitor, so you must attach your monitor with your computer system with the help of the cable. We have two cables attached with the monitor. We have a power cable and the data cable. With the help of a data cable, it makes possible to attach a system unit to the monitor. So we have video card on our motherboard. With the help of that video card, we can view images on the monitor screen easily. Monitors are similar to TVs but usually display information at a much higher resolution. So monitor is also called VDU and screen, and it is used to display your result on the screen easily. This is a display screen. This is a display screen. It is most commonly output device. It is used to display soft copy output. There are different types of display output screen, different screen size we have and different resolution we have nowadays. So the features of the monitors are, the first feature and the important feature is the size. The size of the monitor is measured diagonally. Standard size of monitor is from 15 to 22 inches. This aspect is determined by the display screen's diagonal measurement. So we have different sizes of the monitor, like we have 15 inch, 17 inch, like this. This is the size of your monitor. Then we have a color. The monitor can be either black or white or color, black and white or color. So the monitor can be black and white or color. So we have color monitor. The display screen can be monochrome. That if we have one color, so it is called a monochrome or color. The color display screen display output in multiple colors. The RGB display, red, green, blue display screens are used, which are used to print 256 maximum color. It is used to print 256 maximum colors, which are used to display on your screen. Then we have a pixel. The term pixel is actually short for picture element. These small little dots are make up the images on computer screen. These are the smallest unit which is used to create the picture and image on the screen. The pixel is a smallest dot on the monitor which forms the images. So this is called a pixel. Resolution, also known as dots per inch, DPI. This determines the number of pixels per inch. The maximum number of pixels is determined by the dot pitch. This determines the number of pixels a display screen can accommodate at one time. So resolution, basically the based on all characters and images on the display screen are made up of pixels or dots. Resolution of monitor is the number of pixels on the screen. It is image sharpen of a display screen. High number of pixels means sharpen image, high resolution. Dot pitch, this is the distance between each pixel in every square inch that is displayed. The shorten the distance, the sharpen and clear the images are. So if you have short distance between the pixels and the dot pitch is short, so it means that you have a high resolution and your image is more sharp and more clear rather than other. So when we talk about the pixel, when we talk about the picture, so we must discuss about the pixel. What is a pixel? A pixel is the smallest visual element on video display screen. The pixel, a word invented from picture element, is the basic unit of programmable color on a computer display or in a computer image. So pixel stands for picture element, and this is the smallest unit. Pixel is represented by a dot or a square and a smallest dot, which can represent your monitor screen and your smartphone screen. If you have more megapixels, so your image is more clear. And pixels are the basic building block of a digital image or display and are created using geometrical coordinates depending on the graphics card and display monitor. So quantity, size, and color combination of pixels varies and is measured in terms of display resolution. The pixel resolution spread also determines the quality of display. More pixel per inch of the monitor screen, better image result, generates the better image result. Suppose if you have an image, so you will zoom out that image. So here you can check the picture. So when you will zoom out the image, so you can check the pixel of that image. Here, the smallest dot, the pixel of that image, you can see the image is blurred, but you can view the pixel of that image easily. The quality of the picture depends on the screen resolution. The screen resolution means the number of pixels displayed on the screen at one time. There are two types of screen resolution. High resolution, the monitor screen has more pixels. Low resolution, monitor screen has fewer pixels. So if you have more pixels, so it means that you have a high resolution. You have more sharp image. You have more sharp, clear picture. Nowadays in our smartphone, we have a cameras. It depends on your megapixel. If you have 12 megapixel in one camera and then we have a 14 megapixel in one camera, so the quality of the 14 megapixel is more clear, more sharp, the colors, the images, and the quality is more high. It have them high resolution because they have more megapixel. So it depends, the resolution of your image quality is always depend on the number of pixels per inch. How many number of pixels you have per inch, it depends on the resolution. And if you have more number of pixels, it will increase your resolution, and you have a high resolution,